Car prices in 2025 have taken a surprising turn, and if you're planning to buy a new vehicle this year, you're in for some interesting updates. From compact sedans to mid-size SUVs, the price tags are shifting based on global supply chains, fuel economy trends, and the rising popularity of electric vehicles. Gone are the days when you could just walk into a dealership and pick a car at a fixed price. Today, understanding the latest pricing trends is key to making a smart purchase. One of the major reasons behind changing car prices is the fluctuation in production costs. Due to chip shortages in the past few years, many automakers have adjusted their pricing strategies. While the supply is slowly stabilizing in 2025, prices are still influenced by inflation and market demand. Some brands have introduced affordable models, while others have raised prices due to enhanced features and hybrid options. Let's talk numbers. If you're looking for a reliable budget car this year, you have some solid options. The 2025 Hyundai Elantra starts around $21,000 and offers great fuel efficiency along with a sleek design. Now, if you have a bit more to invest, consider mid-range options that deliver more space and power. The Honda CR-V remains a top choice at about $29,000, offering strong resale value and a comfortable ride. Mazda CX-5, known for its stylish look and smooth performance, is priced at $30,500. Subaru Outback is another favorite, priced around $31,000, and it's perfect for those who enjoy road trips and adventure, thanks to its all-wheel drive and high safety ratings. While car prices may look tempting, buyers need to be cautious about hidden costs. Many dealerships are still adding markups on popular models, and financing terms can vary greatly. Always check the total cost of ownership. This includes fuel, insurance, taxes, and maintenance. Don't just fall for the sticker price. Compare models, look for year-end discounts, and consider certified pre-owned vehicles if you're open to used cars. As we move further into 2025, one thing is clear. The automotive market is evolving. Whether you're upgrading your ride or buying your first car, knowing the real price trends can save you thousands. Be informed, stay updated, and don't rush your decision. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for weekly car buying tips, new model reviews, and insider deals. Your next car is just a smart decision away.